Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Just taking a look at the dollar CAD. We've got this thin leg. It's pushed up with a vengeance, and it's traded into, as you can see here, this is the daily. Big level through here. We've got this point of control through this range through here, back here. Wick down, retested. Okay, so now we're trading into it. Thin leg, and I would say this is going to look to rebalance. Now, I would imagine that this candle at current day should spike down, looking to fill this gap to whatever degree. And if we go to the 4-hour chart, we can also see this gap. Like if you have a look at this candle here, okay, mark up the candle to the right and to the left. So we've got a significant price gap through here as well. So I'm just looking for a trade back down through, looking to rebalance wherever or however far it trades back. It's anybody's guess, but I'll be setting up a target fairly close, maybe around these highs here, looking to take most of my position off, and then I'll leave a portion in and just see if we get any more out of it. That's the way I'll approach this, I think. Also, I'll show you what I've got. I've got a multi-chart thing going on here. This is the daily. See how it's traded up into this line? This is our median. That in itself is resistance, as well as you can see here, this is a monthly. See this white line here? That's a monthly level. So we're right up into it, monthly level and this median. So I mean, that sort of adds to my argument. On the 30-minute chart, you can see here, it's the same indicator basically, and I'll show you this. We're trading into the Asian session. There's something else that I want to show you as well, but yeah, trading. See, look at the price action. Let me just take that out. See how it's pretty strong trend here, and we get a big pullback here. Notice how it's trading up here, leaning over, so it looks like it's getting heavy. I'm always interested in taking a counter trend, especially when we're trading into a monthly level like this. There's definitely going to be, I mean, you can see there's profit taking going on. Now, our indicators are giving us a few signals here. We've got these red lines are divergence. If you had the RSI, the CCI, the stochastic, the this, the that, the MACD, you'd see that there'll be a divergence on those indicators. Well, we don't have to have those on here. We get the divergence signals on our indicators. And the other thing is we've got this median line through here on the 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, it's traded right out to the extreme. Okay, so it's overextended. And there's another thing too. We'll just go down to this chart here. I'll open that up and show you this. This kind of price action where you see relative equal highs, pretty close, give or take a pip or two. But let's just mark that up, relative equal highs. So what this is setting up here is liquidity above. A lot of traders are looking at this, shorting the market. And so what happens is when you see this setup here and this range through here, it's building liquidity. You'll get this double top, and then it'll spike up through, and then it'll draw in more buyers, and then it'll turn around and trade lower. So I'm just waiting for this to. I've actually shorted it. I'm I'm short on my MT5 account, but I'm just waiting for this now to trade down. If it breaks this low here, we get a break of structure. What we'd be looking for then, if it trades down and gives us a thin candle insofar as an imbalance, look for the wick up into the imbalance, if that makes any sense. You want to see a lower high forming here, then that's your cue right here to short it. The other way you can approach this is with our indicators, just wait for the 3-minute signal, and I'll show you what that looks like. If we go down here, it'll help you catch the trend reversal. See this guy here? That's what you're going to be waiting for if you want to be a little bit more conservative, and that generally gives you the break of structure. When that fires, you can come in on the pullback. So what'll happen with that? Once you see it break this low here, that triangle will fire here somewhere. It's a break of structure. Then what you're looking for at that point then is the pullback to retest the bottom of this range, and then that's going to be where you take your short. So I like to get in a little bit early. When I see this, I get a bit aggressive, but that could be your cue when you see that triangle forming, giving you the break of structure to the downside. Anyway, guys, I'll wrap it up. That's the dollar CAD. Click the links below, join Discord, it's there, and check out my 5-minute strategy. The links are in the description. Take care, see you in the next video.